Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to create Facebook page post from Pinterest pins. So in this case I want whenever a new pin is created in my Pinterest account, automatically that pin should be shared as a post on my Facebook page. So here to automate this entire process, we are going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect, in which we need to connect our trigger and our action. So in this process, our trigger application will be Pinterest and our action application will be Facebook. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So here you can see the window of my Pinterest account where I have created so many pins. So in this case I want whenever a new pin is created in my Pinterest account, automatically that pin should be shared as a post on my Facebook page. So this is the Facebook page which I am going to use, which is named as the art box. So here to automate this entire process, I need to connect my Pinterest account with my Facebook page. And here to build this connection, I am going to use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and you can visit this page by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow. And for that, I'm going to click on this Create Workflow button that is given on the top right corner. Now here in this Create Workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as Create Facebook Page Post from Pinterest Pins. And here I'm going to select my folder as Automations. You can select your folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this Create button. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow with the name Create Facebook Page Post from Pinterest Pins. And here you can see two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Pinterest and my trigger event as new pin, so that whenever a new pin is created in my Pinterest account, automatically Pabbly Connect should capture the response. And now to connect my Pinterest with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Pinterest account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Pinterest. Here I'm going to give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. Authorization successful. So now here, after building a successful connection, I'm going to generate a new pin in my Pinterest account so that here I can receive a response. So for that, let me take you back to my Pinterest account. And here in my Pinterest account, I'm going to generate a new pin by clicking on this add button. Here I'm going to create a pin. So here I'm going to choose a file here. So here I'm going to select a file which I have already downloaded in my PC. So this is the file which I'm going to post, and here it is asking for a title. So here I'm going to give a title as new painting, and then here it is asking for a description for this pin. So here I'm going to add a description, and here I've added a description which says immerse yourself in the beauty of nature with this stunning flower painting. Vibrant hues burst forth, capturing the essence of vitality and joy. Let the delicate petals and intricate details transport you to a world of tranquility and wonder, perfect for adding a touch of nature's elegance to any space. So now here, after adding a description, moving forward, and now here I'm going to choose a board. So here I'm going to choose the board as new board. And after selecting this board, here I'm going to click on this publish to publish this pin. And here you can see it says published complete. So here I'm going to click on this view. So here you can see I have successfully created a new pin in my Pinterest account. So now let's move back to our Pabbly window. And here I'm going to click on this save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response where the title is new painting. Here we have received image type, media image link, and also we have received the same description of that pin. So with this we have successfully set up our trigger. Now let's move to action step, and here I'm going to select my action application as Facebook Pages and my action event as create a page post, so that whenever a new pin is created in my Pinterest account, automatically a new post will be created on my Facebook page. And now to connect my Facebook pages with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Again, here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Facebook pages account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook pages. Here I'm going to select my account. And here I'm going to click on this continue. And authorization successful. So now here after building a successful connection moving forward, and now here it is asking me to select my page. So as I've already shown you that I want the new post should be created on my Facebook page, which is named as the art box. So moving back to Pabbly window, and here I'm going to search for my page, which is the art box. Here I'm going to select my page, and now after selecting this page moving forward, and now here it is asking for the message. So here I need to enter the message which I want to add as a description to my post. So here instead of entering this message manually, here I will map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I will map the data from the response I have received in my Pinterest response. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever a new pin is created in my Pinterest account, automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here I'm going to map the description of the post. So here I've mapped the description. So moving forward, and now here it is asking for link URL. So here I'm going to add a link for this post. So this is the media image link. So here I'm going to map this. And now after entering all the required data, here I'm going to click on this save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. So now let's go and check our Facebook page. Here I'm going to refresh this window. And here you can see we have successfully created new post with the same caption and the same image. So with this we have successfully set up our automation. Now let's test our automation to check whether it is working or not. So to test our automation, I need to generate a new pin in my Pinterest account. And for that, let me take you back to my Pinterest account. So here I'm going to generate a new pin by clicking on this add button. And here I'm going to add another file which I've already downloaded in my PC. So this is the file. And here I've added a new image, and now I'm going to give a title to this image, that would be eye painting. And here I'm going to add a description for my pin. So here I've added a description which says, behold the windows to the soul in this captivating eye painting. Every stroke and shade captures the depth and mystery within. Lose yourself in the intricate details, reflecting emotions untold and stories yet to unfold. A timeless piece that speaks volumes without uttering a word. So here I've added a description for this pin moving forward. And now I'm going to select the board as new board. And now after selecting this board, here I'm going to click on this publish to publish this pin. And here you can see it says your pin has been published. So here I'm going to click on this view. And here you can see we have successfully created a new pin with the same title and a description. So now let's go and check our Facebook page. Here I'm going to refresh this window. And here you can see after refreshing also we haven't generated a new post here. So that is because here the Pinterest is a pooling based application. That means it will capture the new response in next 8 hours. So now here we have to wait for some time to receive the new response. So now let's wait for some time. So now it's been some time. So now let's go and check our Facebook page. And here you can see we have successfully created a new post with the same image and the same caption. So with this we have successfully tested our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Pinterest and our action as Facebook pages. So that whenever a new pin is created in our Pinterest account, automatically that pin will be shared as a post on my Facebook page. If you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.